Hey QB users, my name is Nefer and I wanted to share with you how to natively integrate Quriobot with Google Sheets without having to depend on a service like Zapier, Integromat, or Pabbly. This is a high-level video and I'll just point you in the right direction to get you moving if this is something if you find helpful. So what you need to do is create a form response action type within your connections and notifications of your chatbot. And then from here, we're going to map the different step variables that you want to pass to your Google Sheet. So in order to make that connection happen, you need to use a Google app script. And there's a couple versions on GitHub and Gist. So the version that I have is this one, and this one's a bit more annotated. The version that does have all the steps broken down very, very cleanly is this one here. So I'll throw both of those links in this video so you can refer to them later. And so essentially you'll take that script and go into your sheet, tools, go to script editor, and then you'll see a screen like this. You'll copy and paste and then essentially just follow the rest of the steps within this particular link. And that's pretty much it. Once you deploy your web app as a Google Sheet or as a Google App Script rather, you'll be able to pass in data natively. And to me, this is a great resource saver because that lowers my usage on Zapier, and I can reserve it for other complex things where I just don't have the technical know-how on how to natively integrate. So, anyways, I'd love to hear how you're using Quriobot. If there's other types of ways to reduce your Zapier usage or something like that. I just discovered this, so I feel like it's been hiding under my nose for all the time I've been using Quriobot. So I'd love to hear how you're implementing your data from Quriobot and passing it over to other services.